Did you know in macOS, you can easily convert any video song to an audio song without using any third-party software? Hello friends and welcome back to MZ Learning. Friends, today I will show you a very useful tip to convert any video file to an audio file just by drag and drop on Mac. We are using folder action for this, and it's extremely easy to create a folder action on Mac for this purpose. And here's how. Launch Automator from the Applications folder. Oh ho ho, please wait. I know what you're thinking, but there is nothing like that. You don't have to do any difficult work here, you just have to do 2 to 3 clicks here, and that's all. Now click New Document. Select Folder Action, and click on the Choose button. At the top of the workflow area, click this drop-down, and select Other. Now select the folder that you would like to attribute to generate an audio file from the video. You can select any folder of your choice. For example, you can choose the Downloads folder, so whenever you download any video from the internet, it will be automatically converted to an audio file as well. But I don't want to convert all my video files to audio. For this, I have created a special folder on my desktop, so I select that. After that, from the Actions column, search for an action named Encode Media. Now drag Encode Media action to the workflow area. Click on the Setting drop-down menu and select Audio Only. Uncheck the same as the Source File Radio button. From the Destination drop-down menu, select the folder where you want to save your converted audio files. Now save this file. Next time you want to convert a video file into audio, simply drag it into the folder to which you assign the action. That's all. So in this way you can convert any video file to audio file in macOS.
No fighting. We got the refugees over here.
For more useful videos like this, please subscribe MZ Learning YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.